Hi, I wanted to share a quick tip for my fellow Ducati riders who may have problems with their key. I actually managed to drop this key down several flights of stairs, and next time I walked up to the bike and stuck the key in its usual position and tried to fire it up. Nothing happened. I pushed the button again. Nothing happened. At which time I saw a whole bunch of $100 bills leaving my wallet in my mind's eye. But I went and looked at my computer, did a little research, and found out that you can actually break the antenna in this thing, but you will not break the chip, the security chip that's in this. But if you break the antenna, what you need to do is you need to take this key and get it very close to the receiver, which is located behind the dashboard. So you stick your key behind the dashboard, you fiddle with it down there a little bit, and you pull the trigger, and voila, she will light up. You can stick the key back in its usual slot. The bike will fire right up, no problem at all. And you will be able to ride it without any issues. All the functionality is still the same. You will get a no key warning at some point in time, but you can just easily cancel that out with a button. Now, that is a little bit inconvenient to have to fiddle with a key behind your dashboard the whole time, but it's much less inconvenient than typing in your code that you can also do by pushing the on button and tapping your security code to light up the bike. And it's also much cheaper than spending several $100s on a new key and potentially reprogramming. So if your key stops working and you find out it's not the battery, try it out. Stick it behind the dashboard, fiddle with it a little bit, and play with the button and see if it'll light up, and it might save you lots of headaches, grief, and a whole bunch of money. I hope this helps.